वेलकम टू ऑरिगेमी विद प्रियांशी. दिस इज प्रियांशी अग्रवाल. तो कैसे हो मेरे कलाकार? आज हम सीखेंगे ऑरिगेमी रोज. सो ग्रैब योर पेपर, सिट ऑन द टेबल एंड लेट्स बिगिन फोल्डिंग दिस. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सबसे पहले हमें करना है एक एक्स फोल्ड लाइक दिस. वी हैव टू मेक टू diagonals. So this is the diagonal number 1 and this is the diagonal number 2. Like this. Okay. Now we will open it up and this direction, opposite direction में हम करेंगे plus fold. That is, we will divide the paper into half. Like this. एक ये हो गया and here also the same thing. Okay, now fold in half like this and again in half. Then we will open this flap like this and same on other side. Okay. Okay, done. Now we will bring this point to here. And similarly on other 3 flaps. Now, most important step. हमें ये फ्लैप लेना है एंड इस तरह से ओपन करना है. एंड इसे हम इस लाइन को हम इस लाइन से मिला देंगे एंड वी विल रिपीट द सेम ऑन अदर 3 साइड्स. Now we will bring this point to here and repeat on other 3 sides. Now we will bring this point to here like this and similarly this side. Okay, now we will turn the flap from this side and on also on other side like this. and ये जो लाइन दिख रही है अब हम इसे फोल्ड कर देंगे like this and we will repeat the same on other 3 sides. Now we will bring this point to here and repeat on other side. Okay, great. Now an important step. We will pull this thing and we'll make it flat. Okay, like this and we will fold it like this. Okay, this should be on the top. Now the opposite corners flap should be taken out like this. Okay, great. Now we will hold this point with our ring finger, middle finger, index finger and thumb and we will rotate our flower like this. Okay, and we'll make this part a bit curve. Similarly on other side. ये ध्यान रखना कि ये जो कर्व है ये टूटना नहीं चाहिए, ये खुलना नहीं चाहिए. हमें पैटर्न्स को कर्व करना है कुछ इस तरह से. Similarly on this side. Okay, great. Your origami rose is ready. So grab your paper, sit on the table and let's begin folding.